Alright guys, this is the translations part of quadratic functions. It works the same way. First of all, I want to say it works the same way as the translations we did with the absolute value. Okay, as you can see, I didn't change a whole lot on this page from absolute value because this is still absolute value. It should say y equals x squared. So from x squared, where do all these functions move? Okay, it's the same setup as absolute value. So we had absolute value, right? It was something was inside the bars and something was outside the bars. Okay, works the same way with quadratics. Whatever's inside the parentheses moves left and right, and whatever's outside the parentheses moves up and down. This squared is just part of the formula. That will never be any movement or anything. Okay, so please do not use the 2 in the exponent as any movements. Okay, so remember that if it's inside and positive, goes left, and if it's outside and positive, it goes up. So this would be left 3 and up 3. Okay, remember, if it's inside and negative, it goes right. And if it's outside and negative, it goes down. So this would be right 3 and down 4. Okay, feel free to use the graphing calculator for this. Yeah, I will. You guys will have the graphing calculator for this part, so feel free to plug it in and check your work. But yeah, just follow this: inside positive left, outside positive up, inside negative right, outside negative down. Okay, and if there's that negative sign out in front, it reflects. Okay, so this one will be reflects, right 3, up 4. Okay, now we go down here and we're going to write the equation based on what it says. All right, so remember, the equation is y equals x squared. So these are going to look like with parentheses instead of bars. Okay, and then the squared part up top. Do not forget the squared part. Okay, that is part of the equation. All right, so if it's 1 unit up, there's nothing inside the parentheses, so we just leave it and we add 1. Okay, on the outside. Remember, up and down is outside. If it's right, remember, it's negative inside, and if it's up, it's on the outside. Okay, oops, forgot the square. Do not forget the square. Okay, it should be pretty similar to it should be pretty fresh in your minds from last unit. Okay, it's the same exact thing, it's just the equation looks a little different, but it works exactly the same. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.